Okay guys, 2017, 60,000 miles. It's got a noise on one of the lifters. This is a quick video. We just pull it out, but you can see the difference between one and the other. The other one got collapsed. This one is the one that's making the noise. Dealer said you can buy an individual and you can just replace that one, but we're just gonna show you what you need to take out. You need to pull out the head. Show them the head. The head's got to come out. Obviously the intake, and then this one holds the lifters. It holds them like this. So it's got a bolt right here. You can see the other one. You gotta take the bolt out. So there's no way you can take it out without taking the head off. Someone says that you could take it out without taking the head off, but you can't. So, and then the only thing we kind of run into a little bit of a problem, the head bolts, they're all 15 millimeters, except for one that is a 13 millimeter Allen head. So we put an Allen head in it, you know, to loosen it up. But other than that, everything is kind of simple. You just gotta pull the head out to pull the lifter out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Next auto.
2017 Silverado 5.3.
Yep.